Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 3. Name of the chapter is Ancient Towns and Scriptures. Culture is a matter related to human life. It means it is a way of living life. Human beings create a unique system of life through their own caliber, skill, and creative skills is called civilization. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society in the world. We know Harappa civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. In the year 1921, remains of this civilization of Indus Valley were first discovered from Harappa. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibanga, Rakhigarhi, etc. are included in the many places of civilization of Indus Valley, which spread across the northwestern part of India. Children, you can see map on page number 11, place of Harappa civilization. Now the next topic is town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of the Harappan civilization. In all the places of Harappa civilization, the fort was on westward side and colony of common people on the east side. The fort on the west was surrounded by a fortress. Most probably rulers would live in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structures. Organized house arrangement was the main feature of Harappan civilization. The houses were constructed on high platforms to protect them from flood and dampness. Here, the main gate of the houses opened in lane rather than opening towards the main road. In the Harappan civilization, the streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at right angles. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. The evidence of night light systems on public roads has been obtained from Harappan civilization. People of Harappan civilization had a highly developed and systematic sewage system for disposal of used water. The water from each house flowed into a smaller sewer and from it into a larger sewer. From the large sewer, the water flowed out of the town city. There was a pond used for public bath. This has been found in Mohenjo-daro. There were steps arranged on both the sides to get into it. There were changing rooms around the pond. A pillared house used as an assembly hall has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa, located in Montgomery district in Punjab, presently in Pakistan, is an archaeological site. Harappa must have been the main town of the civilization of Indus Valley. The main feature of this city is its grain stores. About 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of river Ravi. Children, you can see picture of public bath Mohenjo-daro. Now, next topic is Lothal. Lothal is situated on the banks of Bhogavo River in Dholka Taluka of Ahmedabad district. It was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient time. The dockyard found from Lothal shows that it must have been a prosperous port of ancient India. The international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the Lothal port. Now children, see the picture on page 13 of dockyard of Lothal port. The next topic is Dholavira. Dholavira is located at Khadir Bed area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district, is an archaeological site. It is divided into three parts, trilateral. First is Citadel Fort, second is Upper Town, and third is Lower Town. The rainwater harvesting system and stadium are the main specialty of Dholavira town. The next topic is Kalibangan. Town of Rajasthan was the headquarters of agriculture revolution in the Harappan civilization. The remains of farms here provide proof of this. Tools of copper must have been manufactured in Kalibanga and they might have been used in agriculture. Thus, the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned, and efficient. Now, children, in my next video, I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.